Ready? Hi, I'm Rick Riccati. I'm from Clements, California, and I own Riccati Saddle Company. And today we're going to talk about cinches. And probably one of the things that you need to know about cinches, regardless of what type you use, is to always keep them clean. And quite often people have trouble with cinches. It's because there's a hair buildup, a lot of sweat. They get pretty abrasive. Okay. And create problems for your horse. I'm going to start with what we call a stranded cinch. These either come in blended or pure mohair. Mohair being the best of the two, but in either case, this is a more traditional style cinch. These here of ours have stainless steel hardware in them, and they work well regardless of whether you're doing ranch work or showing your horse. Oftentimes some horses can be allergic to one type of material and not others. Okay, this is probably the most common cinch available today. This is a neoprene cinch. It's used a lot by trainers and people that show here at Rayne Cow Horse shows. It is easy to clean. It's user friendly. You can wash them. They dry quickly. They have a certain amount of gripping ability. Sometimes people will use them where they have a round back horse and they have a little trouble with their saddle sitting square on. The liability, if you have a liability with them, is that they can be hot. If you use them for ranch work or actually any type of work where you're keeping your horse saddled for a long period of time, cinched up tight, and it's hot, they can create quite a bit of heat. This other cinch is a felt cinch. It is another good cinch. Some of this is personal preference, but this type of a cinch wicks the sweat pretty well. It is user friendly. This cinch, as well as the neoprene cinch, the buckle is laid over the top of the cinch, which is a little more conducive to using on your horse, especially if your horse is subject to gall. This cinch works well for that. We sell these cinches a lot to trail riders as well. This cinch here is a wool fleece cinch. They're washable. They're a great cinch to use in any condition, probably, except for maybe trail riding where they're subject to getting cockleburrs and stickers in them. Like I say, they're easily washable. This cinch is also used for people that sometimes, if they gall a horse, this is a user-friendly cinch for that situation.